Hi everyone, it's me Leo back again with another video. In this video we're going to test out snow foam to see if it actually works. So this morning I went over to Halford's and picked up some snow foam. I think this is Halford's own brand snow foam, and we're going to test it out, see how good it is. We've got ourselves the snow foam and a pressure washer, and we're going to basically fill this compartment here up with the snow foam. So we're going to spray my car with the snow foam, then rinse it off and see how much cleaner my car actually is after that. So we're not going to be wiping my car down, we're just going to be using the pressure washer to clean my car. We're going to see how much cleaner my car actually gets just using the pressure washer. So before we get started, we're going to have a look around my car to see how dirty it is. So I did clean it a couple of weeks ago, but I've been driving, so I've probably driven about 700 or 800 miles since I last cleaned it, so there is a bit of dirt on the outside. For some reason flies absolutely love my car. They're just like all over it. There is a thin layer of dirt all over my car, so hopefully we can get rid of some of this. And my wheels do seem to be slightly dirty. The back end of my car is quite bad as well. There is just a thin layer of just dirt everywhere. There's a lot going on down here actually. It's basically just a thin layer of mud over pretty much everything. I'm just curious how much cleaning snow foam does on its own, so that's what we're going to test in this video. So we've kind of seen how dirty my car is to start off with. We're now going to use the snow foam. We're just going to start off by filling up this compartment with the snow foam. I'm curious kind of what consistency this stuff is. It's just like dishwasher soap. I've never used snow foam before. It smells like soap. It's quite runny compared to the foamy wax that I previously used to clean my car. So it's locked onto the end of the pressure washer. Now we're just going to turn the pressure washer on, spray the car. Well, I'm absolutely soaking. I think there was like a leaking part of this hose pipe. It's just covered me in water, but after about 3 refills, I've managed to cover the whole car in snow foam. You spray it with a layer of snow foam and it only lasts on the car for like a couple of, maybe a minute max, and then it kind of drips down onto the floor. So yeah, I've not yet rinsed the car, it's just sort of drips down, and I think the idea of snow foam is that it's supposed to kind of take dirt with it as it kind of drips down. So I presume you're meant to leave it on for a little bit and then rinse it off, so that's what we're going to do. I managed to cover the whole car. So we're going to go change the attachment on the end of the pressure washer and then rinse the car off and then let it dry for a little bit, and then we're going to see what the results are. So we've given the car a quick rinse, and now we're just gonna have a look to see if it looks any cleaner. So it's not yet dry, but and as you can see, I did quite a quick rinse, so there are little bits of bubbles and dirt still, but I think it does look cleaner. So I can have a look at the wheels. Yeah, I think it looks cleaner. Yeah, I mean the back looks a lot cleaner, apart from like a few specks. It looks like they've the pressure washer's got rid of some of the dirt kind of around the windowsill. So I probably just need to rinse it a little bit better. It does look like some of the dirt from this sort of area has gone. The wheels look a bit cleaner. The front looks a bit cleaner. I mean, there still are some, looks like dead flies have kind of hit the front and they're still there. Should have done this door sill because this is absolutely filthy now. Look at that. It's just pushed dirt into it. I'm not really too fussed about the mess in my car, so I'm just going to leave that there. So hopefully you enjoyed this video testing out snow foam for the first time on my car. If you did enjoy, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We've just hit 500 subscribers, on the road to 1,000, so that would be amazing. And I'll see everyone in my next video. And if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section.